Okay, let's do a very quick exercise. Well, we have a string as Python rocks, and then I want to do a print the s with the index 1, and then multiply by s find n. Okay, so it's kind of confusing, and you may ask, is this syntax even work? Okay, let's try to break it into two parts. The first part, what is s square bracket 1? That is the letter y, right? Okay, and the next question, as find n, what are we gonna get? We have the p 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the n has the index 5. So if we do the s dot find n, and then you are gonna have a 5. Okay, so now you have the letter y multiplied by 5. What is that? That is string repetition, right? So we are repeating the string y by 5 times, so A is correct. Okay, the next thing, well, we want to talk about string formatting. And how about I do a very quick review because we have been spending a lot of time doing the review in this lecture anyhow. Let's say I want to create a name equals Yang Song, and then I do a department equals computer science. Okay, and then I want to format a string, say Yang Song is a professor in the department of computer science. Okay, so how can I do that? So the first way is I can do the string concatenation, which is the name plus space is a professor in the department of, and then plus the department. Okay, so if I run this version, and that's okay, I got what I want to have. But how about we try to use string formatting? Okay, I want to do for both way of the string formatting, the approach is we want to define a full string with as many placeholders as you need, and then we want to backfill in the values. Okay, say I want to do this one, and I create a placeholder and 0, placeholder 1, and then I do a dot format, and then parentheses, I'm putting the name here and then the department in the second, because the name will be filled into the first position, and then the department will be filled in into the second position. So let me run this one and see if I have the same thing. Okay, exactly the same. So I'm happy with that. And if you don't want, if the string formatting is easy, you only have a few items, and well, by default, Python will fill in the placeholders one by one. So you have two variables, and they are going to be filled into two placeholders anyhow. So if you don't want to number them, you still get what you are supposed to have. So you see, exactly the same thing. So the second version will be I want to grab this one, and then I want to say the first placeholder is a placeholder for a string. The second one, that's also a string, right? And then I do a percent sign, and then parentheses, I have the name and the department, because I have two placeholders, they are both for strings, and then I'm backfilled in the name and the department. So that's another way of doing the string formatting, and ta-da, I still have the same thing. Okay, those are the information we have learned well in the first half of this semester. Okay, and then let's see what kind of new things do we have. So this version is exactly what we have learned. So we ask the user to type the original price, and then we say, okay, what is the expected discount percentage you're going to have, and then we are going to calculate the new price, and then after that I have a string showing the original price discounted by the percentage is the discounted price. And after that, there are three items I'm back filling in. So the original price, the discount, and then the new price. So nothing really new. Well, and one of the problem you may catch will be this one. See, well, we have 100.11 and then we have a 20% discount. We got 80.0888. That's not right because we only have cents. We can't pay 88% of 1 cent, right? Okay, and how can we get it fixed? So now for each placeholder, we want to put one more restriction. That is how many digits you want to keep after the float. Okay, and then there are two placeholders I want to worry about that. The first one is the original price, and the second one will be the discounted price. So for this discounted price, well, for both of them, I did a dot to F. So what does that mean? So for the dot 2, it means after the decimal, I want to do 2 digits. And then what does this F mean? This F means this is going to be a float number. Okay, so after doing this wording, and as you can see now, I have the $80.09, and this formatting is correct. Okay, so well, this is all I have prepared for today. As well, and if you feel this is more like a review lecture, and you are right. Well, in the next lecture, we are going to continue talking about the strings because there will be more new things about string you are going to learn so that you can manipulate strings even better. Okay, well, I will see you in the next lecture. But anyhow, well, next video I'm going to talk about today's exercise. Bye.